Welcome to AI Tools Review, where we dive into the latest and greatest in AI technology. Today, we're exploring AI for Work, a platform designed to revolutionize how you approach your daily tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking to get more organized, AI for Work could be the productivity boost you need. What is AI for Work? AI for Work is a website that provides a suite of AI-powered tools aimed at simplifying everyday tasks. From managing projects to generating documents, this platform integrates AI into your workflow, helping you achieve more in less time. The idea behind AI for Work is to minimize the time spent on routine tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. Why AI for Work? In today's fast-paced world, managing time effectively is crucial. AI for Work addresses this by offering tools that automate and streamline your workload. Imagine having an AI assistant that organizes your tasks, generates documents, and even helps you make decisions. That's the promise of AI for Work. Key features. AI Task Manager. One of the standout features of AI for Work is its AI-powered Task Manager. This tool allows you to input your tasks and priorities, and then the AI organizes them for you based on urgency and deadlines. No more manual sorting or forgetting important tasks. The Task Manager ensures that you stay on top of your to-do list effortlessly. Document Generator. Creating documents, whether reports, presentations, or any other type, can be time-consuming. AI for Work's Document Generator simplifies this process. By inputting a few key details, the AI can produce well-structured documents tailored to your needs. Whether you're in a hurry or just want to streamline your workflow, this tool can be a game changer. Smart Scheduling. AI for Work also offers a smart scheduling tool, which integrates with your calendar to find the best times for meetings, deadlines, and tasks. The AI considers your workload and preferences, suggesting optimal times for you to tackle your most important tasks. AI-powered insights. Another impressive feature is the AI-powered Insights tool. It analyzes your work patterns and offers suggestions to improve efficiency. For example, it might suggest reallocating time from low-impact tasks to more important ones, or identify periods when you're most productive. These insights can be invaluable for refining your workflow. How to use AI for Work. Let's walk through how to use AI for Work effectively. After signing up, you'll have access to a dashboard where all the tools are available. Starting with the Task Manager, navigate to the Task Manager, where you can input your tasks. The AI will automatically categorize and prioritize them. For instance, if you have multiple deadlines approaching, the AI will ensure those tasks are highlighted and moved to the top of your list. Using the Document Generator. Next, head over to the Document Generator. Here, you can select the type of document you need, be it a report, a presentation, or even a letter. Input the necessary details, and the AI will generate a professional document in seconds. Leveraging Smart Scheduling. For scheduling, simply sync your calendar with AI for Work. The Smart Scheduling tool will then analyze your schedule and suggest the best times for your tasks and meetings. You can adjust these suggestions as needed, but the AI's recommendations are usually spot on. Personal review. Now let's talk about my experience with AI for Work. Overall, I've found it to be a highly intuitive and efficient platform. The Task Manager is particularly helpful for staying organized, especially if you juggle multiple projects or have a busy schedule. The Document Generator is another highlight, saving me significant time when creating reports or presentations. However, like any tool, it's not without its limitations. The customization options could be more extensive, particularly in the Task Manager. Additionally, while the AI's scheduling suggestions are generally accurate, they might not always account for unexpected changes in your routine. That said, these are minor issues compared to the overall value AI for Work provides. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI for Work is an excellent tool for anyone looking to integrate AI into their daily routine. Whether you're managing tasks, creating documents, or optimizing your schedule, this platform offers practical solutions that can enhance your productivity. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What AI tool would you like me to review next? I'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.